feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, I'm stupid. If you choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
We're gonna use just Rust-Oleum on most of the roof because you can't see it anyway. It's cheaper. It's covered by the solar panels.
Yeah.
Instead of using automotive paint, which I'm doing the rest of the bus with.
Ah, got it.
With my one shoulder hurts.
One epoxy fill on this stretch of counterwood. Well, my dad and I came yesterday. We saw that it had lowered, like it had absorbed into the wood. So we had to do another fill today to try to get it level with the wood.
Cabling for a radio antenna.
Ah.
Perfect. Okay, that should be good.
Have you bought the radio antenna?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it cost me $8. Alright.
Reggie, you're getting beat by the train.
It's going faster than normal.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Okay, it's another day, another dollar. Bus. Let's check on the counter. Ooh. That final fill. We were late today because right when we were about ready to leave, we got a text saying that the flooring was being delivered because we ordered it from Sam's Club. So we had to wait for that. But we got our flooring. It's very exciting. Okay, we're gonna look and see what he did. Oh yeah. There's our antenna.
Trying to figure out how to get off the roof. bolt that goes through here
Okay.
and hooks them on like that.
Oh.
So that this will overlap both of them.
Right. Oh, okay.
And then you just bolt it down and it clamps it like that.
Yeah, both of them. Oh.
Yeah. Just like a normal solar mount. Now this is going to be hard. Come on, thread. There it goes. Just throw it right here.
Okay.
Right here.
What?
Perfect. Okay. That's good enough for now.
4 feet. We're gonna have them this way, widthways. The things Tim told me to look for was kind of a texture on the top, so we're not, go sliding around like it's on ice. And a backing on the back, already done, so we don't have to put a backing down. And then click lock, so we don't have adhesive. And we wanted kind of wider planks. We didn't want a very narrow width. We got it at Sam's Club, and they shipped it straight to the house. We didn't have to go to the Sam's Club.
Yeah, that was cool.
So they did it with that refrigerator. We actually got our refrigerator from Sam's Club too during one of the Memorial Day or Labor Day or 4th of July sale, one of those sales. Got that at Sam's Club, and they delivered that straight to the house.
That'll work. You what?
You gotta fill in the gaps so it.
Yeah, I just gotta do that.
Yeah.
And I'll put some Reflectix behind it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And that'll push it out.
Yeah. Perfectly, and you're about 4 inches from the ground. 4 inches and down. Good job. All right, got the first solar panel on. Just gonna show it to you. So there is the solar panel from the side. That's just the first one. Can't get up the eye. And they're gonna go all the way down. I think it's gonna be 5 of them. So 2 in the front. And then we're gonna have 2 in the middle. And then we're gonna have 1 in between the fan top and the skylight. So our next job tomorrow is just to put the second solar panel up.
I think we'll do the solar panel and I'll put that other antenna on.
Okay. What's that?
This is the vent that goes in the rear of the bus.
Oh. Alright, back to this. Ooh, it's dry.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look how pretty it is in the sun.
Yep, it'll be good.
Oh, it's gonna be so nice.
Yep, it'll be good.
Oh, it looks so pretty in the sun.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be nice.
I know, it's gonna be super pretty.
Oh yeah, it's super sparkly where the sun's hitting it right there. Look on the corner.
Oh yeah.
Okay, here's going.
Okay, so now we're going to Home Depot with the trailer.
You what?
Now we're going to Home Depot with the trailer. Yeah. And what wood are we picking up? Which?
I want to get like 3 pieces of plywood.
Wood?
And 1 a 10-foot other thing.
Oh, he went too fast. He went too fast.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay. We have a surprise for you. Ta-da! We took everything out because it had so much stuff in it. It was literally, it looked like a hoarder's house. So, here's what it looks like.
My try not to put any weight on the roof too.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and just set it right there. So what we want to do is go even with that. Oh wait, that would have been dumb. You gotta hook those two cables together.
Oh.
Oh, and the roof rack doesn't even touch them. It's very close though. Yep, it worked out just how I planned. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get it. Another one of my genius ideas gone awry. This is the mounted solar panels. 2x2 angle L rail bolted to the top all the way across. And then there's actually one in the center too that goes down the center. And then there's these bolts that go over and clamp it down. And then on the front, they're bolted down on the front, in the middle, and on both sides. And on the back, there's L brackets that go over the top that bolt it down, and it fits just perfect right in front of the hatch, and the hatch doesn't hit it. And it's as low as I could get them. And these are 70 by 44 inch panels that are 420 watts each. And we're gonna have only 5 of them on the top of the roof, but that's still quite a bit over 2,000 watts.
I bolted Tim into keeping things clean, so we have all the wood in the barn right there, and anything that can stay outside we're keeping outside. All the tools I've stored nicely in the bathtub, and then we got some boxes and put all the tape and glue there. It's looking really good.